Hey guys, I hope this video is not going to be completely useless. If it does, I'm sorry. So I just found in a menu about the auto exposure bracketing and what to do. So in exposure bracketing, 3 consecutive images are captured different exposures within your range up to 3 stops by automatically adjusting the shutter speed, aperture value, and ISO speed. So first you want to go to the settings, photo, and the second row, or how it's called. Then you can have the exposure, the bracketing right here, and then you have to choose a range. So when you're going to choose a range, you have to go with the arrows on the camera, and when you're going to have it, you're gonna have this when you want to take a picture, you can have the standard exposure, decreased exposure, and increased exposure, and in the sequence. So first go standard, then decrease and increase exposure, and it will not be cancelled. The AAB not going to be cancelled. To cancel AAB, follow the step 2 to turn off the AAB range display. So that's how it's going to be done. And have a great day and goodbye.